watcher and subscribers. In today's tutorial, we will see how you can raise exception in Python. So we will see the meaning of raise. An exception can be raised forcefully by using raise clause in Python. So in your program, suppose you want to create exception after specifying or after satisfying particular case or condition, then you can use a raise clause in your program. Means what happen, because of the raise clause the exception will be created and you can handle it. It can be used, suppose you are creating a program related to voter or voting. Suppose a less than 18 years student, they cannot vote. So in that case you can put this case like exception by using a raise clause. So it is useful in the scenario where we need to raise an exception to stop the execution of program. So because of what happen, if you want to use a raise keyword, then your program will stop in particular case, but it will not show the error. Okay, it will stop after showing a particular message. So in that case you have to use a raise keyword, and you can simply use by following this syntax: raise exception, class name you have to use that, and it is predefined, not user defined. So now here we will go in the practical session, because many students they can get doubt here raised, because in previous programming language we don't have this word, like in Java, C++, we didn't use this clause. So it is a new concept in Python. So we will see now how you can do in programmatically. So here in the Python screen, now here I will take a straight away try block, because inside the try block you can have the raise clause in your program. So here we will enter the value for age equal to int. Input function you have to use here, input of enter. So we are giving the input of enter age, so the user will read this message and enter the age value. But if age is less than 18, then something will happen here. So if the age is less than 18, then we have to use here raise clause, because less than 80 they cannot do the voting. So here I have to put one class value error. So value error is my class here, and after that I am using a else block, which is showing the other message print. And this is what the if and else block. Inside if what we have written raise, means age is less than 18, then raise will create exception. Okay, and for handling this exception we have to go into the except block. So this is what the except block, and here I have to use value error, and here we have to use print message. And what happened, this except block will handle the exception and it will show the message age. Okay, or age is not valid, whichever you want you can do it. Age error or age is not valid. So what happened, how it will run, once you run the program you have to enter age. If it is less than 18, then raise will create exception and it will go in the except block and it will show the message age error. And if it is more than 18, then else will run and age is valid is printed. So we will see practically how it is working. So it is running fine, enter age less than 18. So you see it is a age error. And suppose if I run it again, and now I am entering 33, so age is valid. So in this way it will work out properly. And we can use this raise keyword by more than one way. So that second way we will see now. So second way is that you can put here message in place of writing this age error. we will just copy this message and paste it here, and here we will write as E, and here you have to just write the object E. So what happen, it will throw this message value error. So if it is less than 18, it will show the age error, but for that you have to pass this object here in the print statement, then only it will show the message, otherwise it will not show you the message. So that is the second way, and we will check it out whether it is working or not. Enter age is 12, so you see it is working properly in the program. So again I repeat it, along with that you can also show the message age error, and if it is less than 80 it will directly pass this message, but before that in the except you have to pass the object E. Okay, in place of E you can write any name. Suppose if I write E1, then you have to pass here E1 also. Again we will check it out for your understanding. So you see it is working properly, age error. Now after this there is one more method of using raise keyword, that one also we will see now. So now in this program I want to use raise with the already we are having the arithmetic error class. Okay, so I want to use this raise clause along with the arithmetic error class. So suppose here I am writing, this is the third way of using raise. So I am writing here arithmetic error, and now this one I will not do here, and I just copy this name. So now this is the arithmetic error. So now what happened, I will check here, I will change the condition here. Here I will write A, and again I copy this code. So this is the next input for B. So what happened, the user will enter A and B, enter number. So user will enter the two number here, and if suppose B exactly equals to, then it will raise arithmetic error, else it will show division, comma, our first value is A, second I am taking B. Okay, so it will show the division, and here again I explain user will enter two value, but the second value is 0, means we cannot divide any number by 0, so arithmetic error will happen. And here in this arithmetic error we will print the message, so our messages can't divide by 0. So now we will check directly how it is working. First value is 4, second is 4, so it is showing 1, and in the second attempt we will try with the 0 value. So you see can't divide by 0 message is showing. So in this way you can use the raise clause along with the exception arithmetic error. So what happened here, if this condition is satisfied and the B value is 0, then raise will check arithmetic error and it will show the message whichever you want in the program. So in this way you can use whenever you want to create your own condition, or you can also use with the already available exception handling classes. So whenever you want to jump on the exception, whenever you want to throw the exception, you have to use the raise keyword in the program. So I hope dear student you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.